Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about another hologram lighter from Zippo. This is again new for 2021. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. So this is just a basic black ice finished Zippo with a fierce lion in the front. So it's 2021. There's a pretty nice sound to it. This is $60 Canadian. I took the stickers out because it's a pain to take it out if they stay too long. So the code is 49433 Fierce Lion Design. Thank you for watching. Nice to have you back. Stay tuned for more amazing lighters.